Scrolling down a 5,000-row spreadsheet and suddenly forgetting what column H actually stands for is a massive drain on your workflow. If you are constantly scrolling back to the top of your screen to check your headers, you are wasting time and risking critical data entry errors. You are watching WebTool Zone. Today we are locking your data in place. I am going to show you the exact method to freeze your rows and columns in WPS Spreadsheet so your headers stay pinned to your screen no matter how far down or across you scroll. Here is the execution. Open your large dataset in WPS Spreadsheet. The biggest mistake people make is clicking the header row itself. Don't do that. You need to click the cell directly below the row you want to freeze and directly to the right of the column you want to freeze. If you want to lock the top row, row 1, and the first column, column A, at the same time, click your mouse on cell B2. This is your anchor point. With cell B2 selected, look up at your top ribbon menu and click on the View tab. Find the icon labeled Freeze Panes. Click it, then select Freeze Panes from the drop-down menu. Instantly, a subtle gray line will intersect on your screen. Scroll down 1,000 rows. Your top headers stay completely locked at the top of your monitor. Scroll 50 columns to the right. Your primary ID column stays perfectly pinned to the left edge. You now have total navigational control over massive datasets. To turn it off, click Freeze Panes again and select Unfreeze. Your spreadsheet is now perfectly optimized for high-speed data entry. But building massive, beautifully organized datasets means absolutely nothing if a sudden hard drive failure or an unexpected Windows crash wipes out hours of your hard work. Saving spreadsheets locally to your computer's hard drive is a massive digital liability. Click the video on your screen right now titled Never Lose a Document Again, WPS Cloud Sync Guide. I am going to show you the exact 3-click integration that lets you bridge WPS Office directly into your Google Drive or Dropbox. Your files will instantly and automatically beam to the cloud the second you hit save. Click right there to bulletproof your data. Make sure you are subscribed to WebTool Zone, and I'll see you over in that tutorial.